Shmai pawb, croeso i'r enwog. How is everyone? And welcome to Enwog. In today's video, we're going to do the second part of the Lavazza coffee membership club. In this box, they sent a pod machine to go with the coffee pods that we unboxed in the earlier video. Now, this, I'm quite excited. I am actually quite excited to see what they sent me. I went for, oh good God, it's a fight. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. Okay, let's see what we got. What have we got? We have got Welcome to the World of Lavazza. Really bad Italian, I'm so sorry. What's that, Desi? A Desi coffee machine? This one, Mod Mio. One touch cappuccino technology. Ooh. Touch user interface, exclusive Lavazza patented. I picked it for black because I thought black goes with everything. And now, so that's where I get the seal. Oh bugger. Alrighty, let's see what's in here. Register to receive exclusive benefits. Comes kit included. Italian coffee at home. Okay. I must admit, I do actually like Lavazza. I do like Illy coffee as well, but they are very expensive. Oh, okay, should I get it all out and see what we've got? No idea what that is. It looks like a psychedelic panda. Okay. And this, I have no idea. It's some sort of, oh right, it's eco caps. Some sort of caps, and then that must be part of the starter kit. We have the instruction booklet, quick start guide. We have the technology data sheet. And we have the user instruction, which is full of every language known to man. Well, not quite, but you know what I mean. Now in the box itself, okay, oh, we've got a plain box, mystery box. Looks like a mini sewing machine. Oh, very nice. Okay, now we've got it out of the box. It looks very futuristic, doesn't it? Alright. Let's have a look at this puppy. Okay. So we have on the front, we've obviously got different size coffee cups and volumes, as we can see there by the looks of it. Different types and different froths by the looks of it. Temperature. Obviously I'm just guessing at this and just looking at what the pictures say. This must be the water module. Oh God, I've broken it already. There we are. Oh, very swish. That must be where you put the capsule in. Oh, it kind of like shoots across. It looks as if it's a sideway kind of notion. And it shoots across. Locks in place. And then you obviously do your fandango. What's in this box? See, I've broken it again. There you are. If it can survive me, it can survive anyone. Oh right, this is the cap that comes with it. Comes with the very nifty mug. There's the frother. Ah, right, and on the side here it tells you, shall I open it out? Might be handy. It's the steam patent technology. So this side of the coffee machine is actually the different types of steam to give you the froth for the different types of cappuccino, large cappuccino, latte, mochaccino, froth milker. So the different ones for the different types of frothy coffee that you want. That's what we call it over here, frothy coffee. And this is obviously the mug with the side markings, the different coffees and the different milk measurements, and so obviously that's that coffee milk froth. It goes there. Okay. And this, open this and see what's in there. We'll figure out what this is for. The panda, the Frankie Panda. Okay, and in the box are the eco cups. Oh right, very nice. You have the different intensities of, is the Rosa, which is the one, oh this one's, that's aroma, that's obviously the peachy flavour, that is flowery. This is almond, which is rather ironic because that's the same colour as the decaf. So that's not going to be confusing, isn't it? That's the white, well we all know that's the Lungo. We've seen the Lungo in the earlier video. That's the green one, that's a new one. And again that's the Roma, we've seen the Roma. So there are a few capsules that actually cross over with colours. So I suppose that's a bit confusing because you don't know if it's the same colour capsule but it comes with like the cremo and the decaf. If you can only have decaf coffee and you've got this one, the cremoso, you would, and it doesn't say it's decaf, so I can't say for definite it is, but they both got the same blue colour. If you can't have coffee and you only drink decaf, that could be a bit tricky, especially if you can't drink it after 12, because a lot of people can't drink coffee after 12 when you get to a certain age, you know, keeps you awake. There you are. So this is the unboxing, and this is what's inside. It looks pretty nifty.
Hello pal, Editor Caleb here, and I just wanted to say that there will probably be no outro for this video, mainly because my mum sounded like she was being forced to do it with a gun. But thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, and enjoy this picture of the puppy while I'm doing a voiceover.